We left Loretto and headed more southwest away from the coast because Dustin's friend Chase sent us a pin to a base jump. The drive was really pretty. We got to see some mountains and some goats. And hopefully find a base jump.
Goats don't care you or your feelings. I think that's it. Sure doesn't look too sheer.
Sure don't.
We made it in good timing. The sun's not down yet. It's not sunset yet. The wind feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like there's much. We have lots of water, our rangefinder, a spot, some toilet paper just in case. We haven't base jumped in a hot minute, so we might need it. This is heavier than I remember because I'm carrying water. I don't normally carry water.
I usually carry the water.
He does. He usually carries a lot. Snacks. I'm so excited. We haven't jumped in so long. I'm so excited. I hope this goes.
There's silver down there. How's that look right there? You want pecan?
Baja. What's Baja?
PCA.
Oh, yes, I want Baja. I don't even know how high it is, but I want Baja. Oh my gosh.
Okay, it's not super high. I'm gonna start working on a static line to set up. It's like 150 feet.
To the rock that we'd hit?
Yeah, which would outfly it, but I just don't want to do it in these lands like this.
Yeah.
Like over there is definitely not it, so it's further that way.
Yeah.
I feel like we should probably hike down just because it's gonna get harder and harder to scout.
Yeah, I think so. Not today.
Well, we didn't make it. We're hiking down in the dark. We got to what could be an exit. 50 feet down there was like a small ledge, and then 100 to 150 feet down there was more ledge. A really monster push might get you over, but it's windy, so we're more likely to have off-heading. There she is. Digging and rotting.
Ooh. What do you think ate me? This would be you if you had base jumped.
Alright, I'm going to the car.
Take me with you. I'm bathing in the sun. Take me with you. Sorry. That's your say.
Anyway, we're almost back to the car. What are we looking for, Josie?
The water bottle and the rangefinder that's brand new.
The brand new, very nice rangefinder.
Not here.
It's not here.
It's up on the mountain.
We have to go back up there, but not tonight. We're gonna go first thing in the morning, and maybe it's a blessing in disguise, because if conditions are perfect, we'll jump.
Good morning. There's the moon going down. There's the sun coming up. What time did we get up this morning?
I think 4:20.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, whoa. going. Golly. Do you see the laser? Nice. No mouse took off with our laser.
Like Dustin said this morning, I knew we were gonna hike back up here, so I figured like we should just leave this, not hike it back up. Who needs that extra weight? It's doing you a favor.
Now we search for the next potential exit. Now let's gear up and then laser. What do you think?
4 seconds?
Alright.
I'm excited to be here with you. Are you scared?
First base jump in Mexico.
Three, 2, 1. Viva la Navidad!
Contigo yo estaría, ay la persona más feliz del mundo, te quieres pa' toda la vida, ay la persona más feliz del mundo, te quieres pa' toda la vida.
Yeah, baby! Woo! Baja, Mexico! We made it in really good timing. The wind just started. We can feel it.
Yeah.
Good timing.
That finger is covered in so much dirt. She just got off the ground.
We got back to the car. We made breakfast. We took a nap. It was a beautiful base jump. And now, what's our plan?
Get on the road and head towards Cabo. We have 0 plans.
Well, let's go.
It's time.
It's time. It's time to go.
You just gonna walk off?
Time to go. It's time to go.
Mamita.